To the people who have keyboard clicking sounds on their phone, what's your reasoning for not turning it off?
My parents both have the vibration and sound on for typing because they say it feels more tactile. They can feel when they hit a letter, so it's easier for them to catch typos.
Removed.
I normally just keep the phone on silent so it doesn't matter. Also, NGL, it's kinda satisfying, so when I turn off silent, it's just a fun bonus.
If I'm around other people, I silence it because I can imagine it's annoying to others. However, if I'm by myself, I keep it on because I quite enjoy the sound.